guys, welcome back to my channel.
And it goes a little something like
So today's video is a K beauty haul. It's not a huge haul, it's a mini haul. I hope you like it, and also I'm going to do a mini giveaway by the end of the video because this video is my 50th video. And yeah, I just want to do a giveaway for you guys. Also, if you are new to this channel, welcome to my channel. I'm Anushka and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and also some fun vlogs, some travel vlogs. And if you're interested, would do consider subscribing to my channel. You're gonna love it. And yeah, now without further ado, let's get into the video. So all the products I have right here inside this Nykaa bag. So I recently purchased these products, and yeah, I'll show you. I'm gonna show you all of these products and tell you about the brand and how it is. So the first thing that I bought is a translucent powder. This one right here. So this one is a HD translucent loose powder in white. So why I went for white? Because it goes with everything. It goes with every skin tone, and white ones are just the best, I think, for the translucent powders. And I love this one. I think, yeah, it's just great. And for the pricing, I'll put the price someone here on the screen. You can see. And yeah, this is the first one, and the packaging is like this, and it's quite sleek compared to other loose powders in the market. So this is how it looks from inside. And yeah, and the second one is a highlighter. Now I have always loved using highlighters since the time I started doing my makeup, and I think look at this packaging, it's just so sleek. That's what I love about this one when I bought. And so the shade is, it's a illuminating highlighter in rosy dew, and I love that rosy glow on your face. It just looks super nice and super, like, I just love it. So this is how it looks from inside. Isn't it just too pretty? And I just love it. This highlighter, so damn pretty. I mean, yeah, I love the packaging of this. It's just too sleek. It's just easy to carry, easy to carry while you're traveling. And yeah, I think, and for the pricing, I think it's not very expensive also. I think it's not expensive. It's not very expensive. It's on the middle. So yeah. So then I have is a blush. Now the packaging is same like the highlighter. It's quite sleek, you can see. And now this one is a matte blush in sweet salmon, and I love this one. I'm gonna show you how it looks from inside. So this is the color. Isn't it too gorgeous? Like, yeah, it's just perfect. I think it's just perfect for this quite summer look and also the winter look. So that's it for the blush. I just love this color, and the packaging is quite nice. Then I have is a matte lipstick, which is like this. I love lipsticks and I bought a lot of lipsticks. So for this one, so this is the K Beauty's Matte Drama Matte Lipstick enriched with grape seed oil plus red roseberry. So yeah, that's quite nice, because they have these ingredients which makes very smooth. The texture is very smooth. This one is in the shade Snapshot. I'll just show you how it looks. This is the packaging, and there it is. The color, look at this color. It's so gorgeous. So this one is like brown pink tone, which I adore so much. I think these tones are super nice because in the day wear you can just wear them and they look so good. And then I have other two lipsticks. Now these are their lip crayons. Now I have two different shades here. This is how they are. So this one is in the pink shade Countdown. I love this color. I think I'm very much into pinks, nudes, and yeah, right now I'm wearing this orange shade, which I totally love. So yeah, this is the shade, and again the pricing is I think quite okay. It's not very expensive, and yeah, I think this one is also I've tried before, and these ones are super like texture is amazing. And I think I'm in love with the K Beauty's lipsticks. Other one is in the nude color. So this one is in the shade Billboard, and this is the shade. This one is a gorgeous nude color. So if you're into nudes, I think this is the perfect one. So these are just my opinions I'm giving you and from the haul. And I have used a lot K Beauty lipsticks, you know. I love K Beauty lipsticks. I think you should have one. If you don't have, you should try at least once. And yeah, the blush is amazing and the highlighter. Yeah, I just love the products. Now let's come to the giveaway part. So I'm doing this little giveaway for you guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and you know, we have started this new year 2021, so I wanted to do something a little special for you guys also. I'm gonna give away 3 products of K Beauty itself. I hope you like them. So the products are right here, and these are these 3 products which I'm sure you're gonna love it. So this one is the highlighter that I just showed you, and this one is the blush that I just showed you, and this one is the lipstick in the shade Billboard nude lipstick I showed you guys. And you're gonna love these 3 products, you know. K Beauty is one of my favorite brands out there. For how to win this giveaway, for all the details will be right below in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I hope you liked the haul and you're excited for the giveaway. I'm really excited. Also, I really forgot to tell you when the giveaway will be, when I'll announce the winners. So winners will be announced on 1st of Feb, so you have a lot of time. Make sure you follow all the rules that I have put in the description box. Make sure to check it out. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, share and comment down below what you would like to watch next on my channel. And I upload videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. It's very important so you don't miss any of my videos. That's it for the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.